Hi, my name is Joanna, and I have tried Herbishh shampoo for the very first time, and I absolutely love it. I picked the Chestnut Brown. My hair was completely gray, and as you can see, there is no more gray. It was so easy to use. You put it on, leave it on for 20, because I had so much gray, 25 minutes, go in the shower, rinse it off. Use the argan oil. My hair feels so soft. I have been dyeing my hair for a very long time, and this was the easiest hair color dye I have ever used. I cannot believe how easy it was. I'm going to recommend this to all my friends and family. Thank you, Herbishh.